Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we'll show you how to using this total commander. This is a project of my Windows programming score. So let's get in. And the first thing we have is the menu bar. The next is the toolbar, the combo box, the address bar, the list view, and this button. It's very similar like a total commander, but it's more simple. And you have something to know that this button it seems like it will use, but it's not use. It's useless. But its only function allow you to know that which hotkey belong to which function, and when you click it, it will do nothing. We have a first look at the file menu. It has view, edit, copy, move, new folder, and delete. The function we will talk about it later. And we have the option and assist. The option will allow you to choose which is the editor of your total commander. There will two choice: Notepad and Visual Code. But you have to install the Visual Code into the driver D for it to allow you to turn on the Visual Code. If not, you will just only have the Notepad choice. And the S6 it allows you to quit the total commander. Then the next in menu have the menu have two sections. The first section is about it will show the about file about my team, but you know this is a personal project. So just only me and some information about me, and I have many thanks for my friend who have been doing this project. And the help section we open the PDF file. This is a mini guide, a fast guide how to use this total commander, because it's very simple, so it's very easy to using it. And the next thing is the toolbar. The toolbar had 4 buttons. The first button is refresh, but we don't have any update, so the refresh button it can using now. And the next button is show the list view. Yeah, it's just like this. And for list view 2, and the icon, and the last is detail. Yeah, it's just like this. And the combo box allow you to change this of the list view. So we move to the this E, and this one we move to this E. The next one is the address bar. The address bar allow you to see what is the current folder of the list view. So it have a little function that if you type on it just like this, new folder, and press enter, it will go into the new folder or the part of the text box. And they have a 3 dot right here. If you press it, it will go out of the folder, current folder. Yeah, just like that. And the next thing about the function, the main function of this total commander. We have right here just like 6 main function: view, edit, copy, move, new folder, and delete, just like the hotkeys. The first we'll do is to view. Yeah, you have 2 ways. First, you could using view in the context menu. Oh, I'm sorry. First, you could view in the content menu. The second is you could view by using F3. So let me using F3 right here. Yeah, it will show you a form of view showing text. I shoot it out and open it by using view in context menu right here. Yeah, it's just like a chart. The next function is edit. The edit function had 2 ways to open. The first way is not bad, and the second way E visual code. Yep. And if you first double click of it, oh no, if you first F4, it just open the editor. So in the default it will be the notepad. Where you go to the option, choose visual code, and you press this F4, and it will open a visual code. That's the way you to change the editor. And the next function is copy. The copy function had two ways to do. The first way is the context menu, select an item or some item, and press the right mouse and select the copy, but you have to pass into another or a different list view or a different folder to pass this in. So just like the total commander, I will use the copy F5. The copy F5 is a function that the main or some item select in list view 1 and you press copy, it will show a dialog. Let me show you. When you go to the new folder right here and you select the art album and one BGY, you press Control and press F5. Yeah, it will show you a message that will write, attention, do you really want to copy? And you press yes. And of course they will showing the current thing, so you have to press the refresh button. This will show you the art album and the one file in the new folder of the driver E. This is the copy. And the next thing is delete. Delete is very easy. You could use the F5 or the context menu. I will use the context menu. Yeah, it's also show the message box of the delete, but there is a little detail that if a function from list view 2, it will show intention 2, but a function from list view 1, it will show intention 1. So you just need to press yes to delete 2 items. It has been deleted. Press refresh. And the next function is move. So we will choose art album, Control 2, and right now I will press F6. Yeah, it shows you a message box and refresh yes. And after that, I refresh it, and art album and 2, I have been moved from the eDriver to a new folder of eDriver. And the next section, I will show you how to using the context menu of the file folder and the black space. See the two context menu. The first thing is file context menu. It's just like this. You select file and folder, or file or folder, and click the right mouse and the shift function, view, edit, copy, cut, rename, and delete. And the next is black space. The black space has refresh, pass, and new folder. The first thing we will do is copy to an art album from list view 2 to list view 1. Copy it and we paste. We refresh and there it is, art album and 2. But now we use the delete and it was deleted. Next function is move. We choose to an art album, cut, refresh this, and we paste, refresh, and there we go. Album and 2 are in the list view 1. And the last but not least function, a new folder. Go to our album and making a new folder. Press enter and refresh, and they have a new folder. You also allow you to change the first name of the new folder. Just say hello words, and press enter. You refresh this, and there we go, the hello words folder. You could rename the folder or file. Just need to right mouse click, press rename, and put a name for it. Just like press hello and enter. Need to refresh, and there we go. We could rename a file and a folder. And I will show you some difficult technique in this project. There's some technique that I think is hard in this project. And the first technique I think is hard is the copy one. The copy, let me call the copy. We will choose from here. The copy, yes. The compass, it's just a click. But you have to know that beside a click, a lot of things happen. It's really a lot of condition. The first condition, it had to know which list view it on, and it had to for each item on that list view 1 or 2, list view 1 or list view 2, and it had to make sure the list view it has some item on it. And the thing that make me feel is very hard is to divide which is the file and which is the folder. So the file we make a new file and add some flag on, and I just making new file, making the duplicate file from the current selected file, but the folder we had to make both of it, so it kind of feel parting. And the next technique is move and copy. Why we can move it, copy and copy? Because I don't read the projects clearly so much, so I just started with a copy and pass, cut and pass. So in the last I had to combine the cut and pass, copy and pass to be a copy and move. Copy from this list view, just click it will open message. It had to copy from this list view to another list view, not just copy to this folder to another folder. So it made me a little struggle while doing the function. And the next thing I think hard is rename. Let me show you some technique calling after label. Yeah, the after label has we update after you're doing almost everything in the list view. There's something calling in twin board, no, properties and this thing. Let me see. Yeah, after label. This function make me feel struggle, and you can see the after label handling two things. The first is rename, and the second is a new folder. So there are things like this, there are things like that. When you're making new folder, it allows you to rename it. It's just like that, and it makes you struggle every day. So that's it. Thank you everyone for watching my video and hope you have a good day. Goodbye.